Hey there, check out this industrial retro wall mount iron pipe shelf that stands 77 inches tall and 14 inches deep. It comes with all necessary fittings, including pipes, T-fittings, elbow fittings, screws, and anchors, but wood planks are not included. This versatile DIY open bookshelf can be hung from ceilings or stand on the floor with up to 5 customizable layers. You can easily create shelves for your kitchen, office, bathroom, or even display flowers using this sturdy pipe shelving system. The total height is about 77 inches with 13 inches between each tier, perfect for maximizing vertical space. This easy project lets you build a unique and stylish storage solution tailored to your needs. Remember, the shelf brackets are sold separately from the planks, which you can find at local lumber yards or big retailers. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.